Hello and welcome. This is Rafi from Dorik. Throughout this video, we are going to learn how to integrate Sendinblue with our website on Dorik so that we can capture leads information for future email marketing purpose. So I'm going to add a subscription form here in this column, and then we are going to connect the form with our Sendinblue account using API key. So let me walk you through the step-by-step process. So first of all, I'm going to click on this add element. After that, let's scroll a bit down. We are going to find this subscription form element. So let's select this one. And here we go. We have got this basic form added with the email field only. But if you need, we'll be able to add more fields from this fields option. And let's say if you want to add the first name field, you can simply click here and turn this on. Here we go. We have got the first name field. But I'd love to keep this simple. So let's move on. Now, from this configuration panel, we'll be able to select the configuration type, which is currently selected to API. Then from service, we have to select from this list to Sendinblue. Here we go, Sendinblue selected. Now it's time to add the API key. And to get the API key, we have to go to our Sendinblue account. After that, from your username, you are going to find SMTP and API option. Let's click on this. After that, we have to create a new API key. So let's click on this create a new API key button. Then we're going to give it a name. For instance, we're going to type out Dorik test as of now. Let's click on generate. And here we go. We have got the API key that we need. Let's click on this copy icon and it is going to be copied. Let's go back to our builder. After that, we're going to click on this add new API key button right here. After that, let's give it a name. We are going to type out Dorik test as of now. Then paste the API key that we have just copied. Let's click on save. And after that, we can select the success action. If we want, we can show a message to our subscribers, or we can forward them to a specific URL or a section of our web page by simply setting them up here. So I'd love to go with the simple process. So let's go back to show message, and I'm going to customize this from subscribing to joining as of now. And let's close this out. We are done with the setup. I'm going to click on publish, and let's open this page in a new tab. I'm going to put a demo email here. For instance, let's say this one. Let's click on subscribe. And if it is going to work perfectly, we are going to see this success message. Thank you for joining. And if I take you back to our Sendinblue account, let's see if the contact has been added. Let's go to contacts. And here we go. This is the email that I have just placed here on our subscription form. So this is working. So this is how you have to integrate Sendinblue with your website on Dorik. I believe you have found this video helpful. And if you have got any further question, please feel free to ask us by commenting below and visit us at dorik.com for more information. Thank you so much for being with Dorik.